Introducing the remarkable 2026 Ford F-150 XLT four-wheel drive Supercrew. This exceptional truck features a 145-inch wheelbase and is finished in a clean Oxford white exterior, paired with a sophisticated black sport cloth interior. Under the hood, you will find the powerful 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, mated to an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission, providing the performance you need for any task. This vehicle is built for those who demand capability and style in one package. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are exploring the rugged backroads of Sumas Mountain or heading down to the Vedder River for a day of fishing, this F-150 is ready for the challenge. It comes equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Package, which includes striking 18-inch gloss black wheels that give the truck a bold, custom look. To ensure your gear stays secure and your truck stays protected, this model features the Bed Utility Package with a convenient tailgate step and a Bedliner tough bed spray-in. The exterior is further enhanced by LED fog lamps and a LED reflector headlamp system, ensuring maximum visibility during those misty Fraser Valley mornings. The 275/65 R18 black sidewall all-terrain tires provide the grip you need when leaving the pavement behind. Inside the cabin, you are surrounded by cutting-edge technology and comfort. The 12-inch center display and 12-inch cluster display offer a high-definition interface for all your vehicle settings and navigation needs. Stay perfectly comfortable with the dual-zone electronic air conditioning and the power 8-way driver's seat. For those who need to stay connected on the go, the integrated 5G modem and Sync 4 with AppLink provide seamless integration with your devices. Safety is a top priority with the inclusion of the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. A common question we receive from truck buyers is, what features are included to help with towing and cargo management? This F-150 answers that with a dedicated trailer brake controller, a Class 4 trailer hitch, and trailer sway control, all supported by the 3.55 non-limited slip axle and a 6,650-pound gross vehicle weight rating. These features work together to provide a stable and controlled towing experience. With added touches like the floor liner tray with carpet mats and zone lighting, this truck is as practical as it is impressive. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.